line.
So now as we approach the tractor, we're going to take a look at our fifth wheel assembly. So basically, we'll just start with the most simplest form of it all. This is our fifth wheel slide plate right here. Our slide plate always has to be well greased and well lubricated. We'll take you to the back of our fifth wheel slide. Right behind our plate right here, there are lock jaws within this area that our kingpin will slide into. This also needs to be well greased and well lubricated. Nothing needs to be damaged, cracked, or broken on any of the plate. It needs to be firmly mounted to the frame. And now we'll take you over to what's connected to the plate.